afternoon to all the students. Today we will complete unit 4 of GK and we will do first 2 pages of unit 5. Need for Speed. This is about the competition of related sports. This competition is quite different from road racing and oval track racing in the sense that is timed competition and very safe. The drivers are timed one after the other on a sealed or an unsealed surface. This sport acts as a stepping stone for drivers who want to make a career in motorsports. That is autocross. This competition name is autocross. Next, this event was first held in 1921 at Brescia near Monticello, Italy. This race is the 5th oldest Formula 1 race. This championship as well as the British Grand Prix has been the only 2 championships to run a Formula 1 World Championship Grand Prix every season, and its name is played in Italy. That's why its name is Italian Grand Prix. Italian Grand Prix. Third, this rally competition was earlier known as 1000 Lakes Rally or Rally of 1000 Lakes. It was organized in the Finnish Lake of central Finland. It is considered as the fastest world rally championship and hence called the Grand Prix on gravel, as the rally is conducted on smooth roads made of gravel. Gravel means ईंट बजरी से small pebbles, small stones से बनी हुई road पे. Its name is Rally Finland. Next, 4-wheeled vehicles called go-karts are used in the type of open wheel racing where races are mostly organized in a scaled down circuits. Many famous kart racing champions like Nico Rosberg and Michael Schumacher have gone on to become famous Formula 1 champions, and its name is based on kart. That's why its name is kart racing. Fifth is, in this kind of motorsport, the competition is between 2 vehicles, either a car or a motorcycle. In this race, the objective is to be the first to reach the finish line. This is a short race but involves specially tuned vehicles designed and upgraded for these kinds of racing. This sport name is drag racing. Next page is quiz time. It's based on this full unit. First question is, who was the first Indian to bag the World Amateur Billiards title? And its name is Wilson Lionel Garton Jones. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Asian Games gold in 400-meter run? Kamaljeet Sandhu. Her name is Kamaljeet Sandhu. After independence, who was the first Indian to win an individual medal at the Olympics? K.D. Jadhav. Next, with which game is the Thomas Cup associated? That is badminton. Which country has won the FIFA World Cup the most number of times? That is Brazil. In which year was the first FIFA World Cup held? 1930. Which sport has been excluded from 2022 Commonwealth Games (CWG)? That is shooting. Which country has won the best team trophy at the 5th Black Forest Cup? That is India. Now next unit is 5th unit, that is entertainment. Let's start this page of unit 5. This book festival was first organized in 2006 during autumn by Marty Markowitz, president of Brooklyn Borough, and co-producers Caroline Greer and Liz Coach. It is one of the premier events of New York City. This festival lasts a week and attracts numerous book lovers from across the world, and its name is the Brooklyn Book Festival. This famous festival is organized in February every year in the heart of Birmingham City. It is organized for a period of 4 days, celebrating world-class poetry and the spoken word. The festival welcomes the famous and the amateur poets from across the world to share their ideas, attend workshops, and meet their fans. And its name is the World Poetry Festival. This festival is a 20-day long fair organized in that is Buenos Aires, Argentina, and the most important literary event for the Spanish-speaking world. A compendium of several informative and interesting literary events, this fair brings together more than 1 million readers from all over Latin America. And the name of this festival is the Buenos Aires International Book Fair. Next is, this festival was first organized in 1997 by a writer, critic and a jazz singer, George Malik. This festival receives financial support from the Arts Council England and the certain other charity trusts. Ledbury organizes this festival in the month of July for 10 days, and it is now the biggest poetry festival in UK, and its name is the Ledbury Poetry Festival. Next is, this famous literary festival is held in one of the biggest cities of Rajasthan. Writers Namita Gokhale and William Dalrymple started this festival. It started in 2006 with about 20 authors. The famous Diggy Palace Hotel served as the venue of this festival. All events at the festival are free and not ticketed. And the name of this festival is the Jaipur Literature Festival. Next is, this literary festival, described by Bill Clinton in 2001 as the Woodstock of the mind, is organized every year in the month of May and June for 10 days in the city of Powys, Wales. It was first organized by Peter Florence, Norman Rhoda in the year 1988, and the name of this festival is the Hay Festival. Let's move to the world of music. Instruments belongs to which country, or let's come to know. जापान का कोटो, नेक्स्ट इटली में सैलो, स्कॉटलैंड बैकपाइप्स जो है स्कॉटलैंड से बिलोंग करता है। टेम्बोरिन इंस्ट्रूमेंट बिलोंग्स टू इजिप्ट। वीना इज इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। accordion of Germany. Rubab belongs to Afghanistan. Harp belongs to Egypt. The next is Hawaii USA से belong करता है. Ukulele instrument belongs to Hawaii USA, and mandolin belongs to Italy. That's all for today. You have to complete these 4 pages. Thank you and have a nice day.